All right, 17. Cube root. We have to know that what a cube root means is that it's to the 1/3 power. Okay? So, we're going to pull out 3 for 1. Remember how we always did the square roots and we circled pairs? Now we're going to circle triplets. Okay? So in other words, the cubed root of 8 is 2 cubed, which is 1/3 times 3 is 1, so it's 2. Right? In other words, if I broke down 8, I would go 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. There's 3 of them, so I'm trading 3 for 1. That's all you do. So now we're going to do it with these. 54. Let's change the color. 54. Let's break it down. 2, 27. 3, 9. 3, 3, 3, 1, and you're done. Okay? 250. Break it down. 2, what's that, 125? 5, 25, 5, 5, and 5, and 1. And all we're going to do is trade 3 for 1. Times 3 for 1. Alright? Now here's how it works. You multiply what's outside against each other. What's 3 times 5? 15. Okay? And then you multiply what's inside against each other. 2 times 2? 4. That's it. 15 cube roots of 4. Okay? In other words, we could have just multiplied these together and said we had all these, pull these 2 out, we left with those 2 inside. That's it. That's it. Okay? Next, let's jump to this guy. Because this is easy. We use those same numbers. Okay? We're going to use the 2, 3, 3, and 3. So we're going to pull that out and say that that's 3 square roots of, or 3 cube roots of 2 plus 8 cube roots of 2. And then we said this one was 2, 5, 5, and 5. So minus 5 cube roots of 2, right? They're all cube roots of 2. That means it's just like saying 3x plus 8x minus 5x. And what would you get? You would get 11x minus 5x, and then you would get 6x, correct? And it's the same thing. You would get 11 cube roots of 2 minus 5 cube roots of 2, and you would end up with 6 cube roots of 2. Just treat it like an x. In that same aspect of treating it like an x, treat these like an x. Okay? What's 4 times 5? 20. What's 4 times 2? 8. 8 square roots of 3. Because the outside goes against the outside. Does nothing to the inside. Okay? And then you have to take this negative with it, right? So negative square root of 3 times... So it's really, what's negative 1 times 5?
5. -5.
Negative 5 square roots of 3, right? Because that's the square root of 3. Now what is this? What's negative times the 2? Negative 2, right? And then this is the square root of 3. So 3 times 3 is what? 9, right? 9? And then think of that. What is the square root of 9? 3. So this is really negative 2 times 3, which is negative 6, right? So we're going to take this negative 6 and add it to that 20. And what do we get? We get 14 plus 3 square root of 3. That's it. It's just the same as when you use the x's, except in this case, this square root gets squared. In essence, it's the square root of 3 squared, which is just 3. So it becomes a number. That's all. Okay, just like that square root of I becomes a negative 1. The square root of 3 squared becomes 3. Question?
Well, I'm honestly going to be confused with the last you just did because I accidentally wrote it wrong.
Oh, okay. We can go over it again. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Just it's no big deal. This is going on YouTube. Okay. The rest of this week, the rest of next week is boards. Okay.